Happy New Year! Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. I am Barbie365. I am here with a brand new video. I am here showing you the new vibe, okay, for 2022. Throw those thick ass stocking caps away, girls, and let's get into this ultra sheer stockings. So I got these from CVS. These are my favorite stockings that I use. They're so sheer and they come in different sizes. So I'm getting ready to install this black bob. It is a T-part wig I got from Soft Feel Hair. You get your adjustable straps. It comes with the 3 combs, 2 in the front and 1 in the back, which I always cut out because I hate freaking combs. So as you guys can see, I am starting with my bald cap method, and I'm using the sheer pantyhose. So I just use a couple layers of Got To Be glue, and then I topped it off with my Ghost Bond glue. I think I used 2 layers. So the back, you just want to tie it up in a knot and cut it off. Soft Feel Hair. Now, they're from Aliexpress. The wig fit kind of tight on me, even though I ordered a medium. But keep that in mind. If you decide to order the same wig, it runs small. But it was cute. It's cute. I felt like Cleopatra. I never really wear bobs, but I think I'm gonna be wearing bobs more often, and I'm gonna be doing 2 layers. You guys, I don't know if you guys can tell or notice, but I didn't even notice until after I installed the wig that I kind of put it on like sideways. Like, do you see the middle part, right? It's not in the middle of my head. It was late, I was tired, and I'm not making up excuses. I should have been more careful, but always take your time. I was rushing, and like I said, it was late, and I was so tired. Always take your time when you are installing your wigs, because it's very, very easy to make a mistake. But all in all, it was cute. Now, the two the 2 pieces in the front of the bob is longer, and everybody knows this. When you order bobs, you always have to go in and cut the 2 pieces unless you like that look. It was kind of cute. I wasn't really tripping, but after off camera, I did cut the 2 pieces off. That's longer in the front to make it more even. But yeah, it was very thick, soft, and just take your time. There's no rush. It's not a race, because you can make simple mistakes easily when you're installing your wig, and it's not easy. It's not easy installing these wigs. It takes time and patience and practice. I'm not claiming to be the best wig installer or anything, but I just want to get better, that's all. But see these 2 pieces in the front pieces, make sure you cut that off, unless you like that look. It kind of, suited me, but I don't know. I end up fixing it off camera. So you know how you guys just see me part the lace down in the middle, and then I went ahead and cut my lace. That's what Beautiful Hustler does, and I've been meaning to do that instead of cutting all the way around after I glue it down. I'm just gonna start cutting in the middle like she does, work on one side, and then cut the other side. It's way more easy. I think I'm just gonna start doing that. But the lace was hard. I was very surprised that the lace was kind of hard to cut. It wasn't soft, and it's not HD lace anyways, but it was giving. It gave what it was supposed to give. So I'm just cutting down these baby hairs, going in a slant motion, and I'm trying to get better at baby hairs. They're hard to me, like, I don't know, so I'm just gonna start practicing more and more. So just expect baby hairs on me every time you watch my channel. And if you don't like baby hairs, that's cool too. Like, I don't know, I know every style doesn't require to have baby hairs, but I want to get better and I want to start practicing my baby hairs. So I'm just curling them upwards, and then the two little side pieces I'm going to curl down, and I use my tropical roots to swoop them on up. And yeah, combs are good. Combs give it that little, it gives the look that I'm looking for. I'm trying to create my baby hairs in a certain look. Like, I'm trying to do it a certain way. And you know what? It's all up to you. It's your preference. But yeah, so I'm just going to swoop these up and do the same thing on the other side. I think too, the more you play with your baby hairs, they'll end up coming out really cute. My problem is that I messed that cute way up, and I don't know, let's start all over. But yeah, this is how it's looking. It's the final look. Don't forget to subscribe, share,